Hey there Space Cats, it's me Jules. I'm going to keep this opening short. If you want to catch up on everything we've covered so far, then make sure you check out the playlist Make a Picture Book. I have let loose my whole process of making my next book, Vincent and the Mermaid. A quick recap. So far I have come up with an idea, written the first draft of the story and made the thumbnail drawings. First colour study, gone through my reasons for changing the format, done some character studies, then full page layouts, where the text needs to go, and finally I made a dummy book. In this episode I will be making one of the illustrations. And there won't be much chit-chat, I'll just play some nice music instead. Make sure you subscribe and ding the bell next to it and give me a thumbs up if you're into making children's fiction, particularly if you want some more ideas about how to make books and how to illustrate them. Righty-tighty, let's roll up our sleeves and off we go. Oh, I haven't got any sleeves on.
If you'd like further artist tutorials, I have a variety of short courses that will help you. There are real-time sessions looking at painting, drawing and marker pens, among others. And if you're keen on producing your own book, there is a more in-depth course on what you need to know about self-publishing a book with illustrations. And that covers making key decisions, how to make layouts and dummy books, rhythm and pacing, as well as several tutorials on illustrating your book, and a look at the tech. You can either hop over to my website or join me on Patreon for more information. Go on, give it a go!
If you've got any questions, do pop them in the comments, as I do look at them and I answer as many as I can. My next job is to package this all up and send it off. Then I'm going to run through a cornfield like I've just completed the start of an epic project. See you soon. Nanu nanu.